In today's video, we're looking at real ship crash moments. Not to shock, not to exaggerate, but to understand how it happened, why it happened, and how small mistakes at sea can lead to massive consequences. These incidents involved human error, mechanical failure, extreme weather, and split-second decisions made thousands of miles from help. When ships collide, run aground, or lose control, the ocean doesn't forgive. This is not just about destruction. It's about the thin line between smooth sailing and disaster.
With 100%, do we with 100%? Yes, sir. Rider gay na sa hono dubai na sa. Stop the thing. Stop.
Yeah, you missed this. I filmed it. Look at the trolley over there. Look at that. He's being totally damaged.
Tụt chân. Rồi, mạnh. Mạnh luôn. Rồi, mạnh luôn. Mạnh. Rồi, xuống thương lượng. Đợt này nặng hơn đợt trước đó nha.
Oh! Oh! Allee! We moeten iemand bellen, schat. Stop met de...
Ship crashes leave scars on vessels, on coastlines, and on the people responsible for navigating them. Each accident becomes a lesson, forcing the maritime world to improve safety, communication, and decision-making at sea. Watching these moments isn't about fear. It's about understanding the power of nature and the responsibility carried by those who sail it. If you value real stories with real lessons, subscribe to Moment Impact, where every moment leaves an impact. Thanks for watching.